Hey guys, this is Kurt down at Carnes Equipment with a 2015 Polaris Slingshot SL. The Slingshot, great machine. Last owner was an adult owned, so he didn't roughhouse on her or anything like that. Just over 11,300 miles. You can see it's got the graphics on the hood. There's also some graphics on the back. The machine's in immaculate condition. No scratches, no scuffs, nothing like that. You can tell it looks brand new because it's been that well taken care of. Great machine. Why are we doing this in December when it's lightly snowing? Because we just got it in. So if you're looking for a great deal on a Slingshot, now is the time to come in and get a great deal on it. We do have an end of the year event on this machine, so you can call us at 814-324-5251. You also find our website at carnesequipment.com.